Hello beautiful people, happy new year. So in this video I'm going to vlog about this bracelet I made the last time. If you remember, if you have watched my short where I made this bracelet, yeah, I was trying to fit it in my hand to wear the bracelet, but it was really distressing and difficult to do that. A colleague at work had to help me to fit it, and after working for some minutes we were able to get it sorted. I was just wondering, what if I'm alone and I cannot do this by myself? It's going to be very inconveniencing. And as beautiful as it is, I really need to make something that is easy to work with. I also have another one like this, though it's really fine, but I really need to do something about it. So I'm going to show you how I started from scratch to make this project and to show you the behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Yay! So getting to work is the end of the year and really nothing much is happening. I dropped my bags and got all my materials ready to get working. So meanwhile, I have gotten some accessories, some findings some weeks back. So I was just trying to showcase them. As you can see here, the ones that I will use for this project. So let me get the materials out and then you'll see. These are just the accessories. Now the idea here is to get two flat bags together and glue them together, and I was able to do that using my glue. I glued two flat bags to get a round bead. As you can see, that is what I did here. So after getting that, I had to do a few more to get the number of beads I was looking for. I got about 6 or 7 thereabout. So next onto which is sketching, and before that I had to get my beads of choice. I had all kinds of seed beads for this particular project. I used round size 11, size 15, and intention is to bead round the already glued flat bags. So here I started to sketch all how the design is going to look like, and of course it helps you to get clarity whenever you sketch your ideas on a flat surface, on a paper rather. Right here I designed, and that is just how it's going to look like. Okay, now moving on. Cut off a comfortable length of thread, tie my cream bead. I'm ready to get started. Make my first cross weave or right angle weave, which, if you know, that's my favorite pattern. After that I just bead. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I use bead to make beautiful and unique designs. Oh, do not forget to subscribe. This really helps my channel. And in this project I use mainly right angle weave for my projects. Meanwhile, if you watch the bead here, you will know that I'm having difficulty in trying to pick my beads, my seed beads here. So I had ordered for some items and they were yet to arrive, but I didn't want to wait till they arrived, so I had to just work with what I had. Anyway, for clarity, I had to get a tissue paper to show you clearly what I was doing, and at the same time it will help me also to pick my beads easily without trying to strain my hand. I could actually prick my fingers with the needle if I'm not very careful. So I went on to bead on here. My intention here was to make a simple circle with the seed bead that I'm working with. Then from there I can now build sort of wings, and these wings I will eventually enclose it with another circle. This is just, the essence is to form a cage rather that I would fit the closed flat backs into. So that is just the idea of this hack. So it does take it took me a little time, but I got it in one go and was able to get what I wanted. Finally, I made the first cage. You notice I have fit the first round in it. So now is to sew it in to contain the round. Yay! I'm happy I got this one, and this is just the beginning of other ones I'm going to make. And it's just as simple as that. Really, it's not that difficult to make. It's just once you have a knowledge of right angle weave, you can make the rounds pretty easy, and that is the fun part about it.
Snip snip, and then you can make other sets. So offline, I went ahead and did a lot. I did up to like 10. So because I was thinking of, what about these things are so beautiful, why don't I just make a complete set? Well, let's see how it goes as we bead along. Yes. Now I needed to, for the next step, to arrange my beads in a bracelet sizing board. This will help me to arrange my beads in a very, coordinated manner, and also know where and where to fix the finishes that the accessories that I have. So this sizing board is a 16 size one bracelet board. So I've managed to put all shades and sizes of red beads that I have here. Now it is time to fit in all the accessories, accents that I have. Remember the last time I was showing off all the accents that I was able to procure, I bought then. So I was just, meanwhile I was still waiting for, there's a special kind of crochet needle that I saw, and at the filming of this video it had not arrived, so I had to make do with what I have with me. So I had to arrange the beads on a necklace design board in case I still end up making a complete set. Necklace will be part of it. So I had to arrange it well. After arranging to my satisfaction, the next thing was to, string it. So I used my original needle. My constraint at that time was using the needle. The thread could not pass to fit through my my thread initially. That was why I was looking for how to procure the crochet needle I was talking about. I eventually got it anyway, but I had a make do. I was stringing in the beads. So after stringing it in, I got it in one go. So with difficulty, I managed to pass it through the the thread. So I was ready to tie it. So far this is what I managed to get. This is really fine, I know, right? So for the final lap, fit it in before I'm able to tie. Okay, so that is all about it. And now for the next step, I wanted to replicate the same red bracelet, but in this case I'm going to use the traditional fishing line ish and normal needle. So because the last one was, I really wasn't feeling it so much, so I had to make my cream bead at the end of my thread. So after making my cream bead, after fixing my cream bead, I went ahead to string my beads. Here I have already strung all the beads that I want. This is just a replica, but in this case the design is just a little different. There are basic similarities too. So after that, you can see this is what I came up with. So I wanted to go ahead and make another one, and the
Same process, similar beads, but in this case I use fishing line. The previous one I use elastic thread. So that is really that. But at the end of the day, it gave me a very beautiful finish.
Yeah, I have completed it and it is looking fine. And I mean,
So I had to make some changes because I noticed that it's going to really be difficult to be using fishing line. Immediately my needle crochet that I ordered online came in. I quickly converted to elastic using elastic thread.
the needle crochet makes it so easy to fit in the elastic thread. That is what I love about it. Anyway,
this is it. Have fun, and I hope you make your own beaded bracelets.
don't forget to subscribe, and bye. See you in the next video.